Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So yeah, ADA, as already said yesterday, it probably finished its third wave down here. Then I gave a signal, highlighted, it probably finished its fourth wave here, and it might now be working on the fifth. So let's see, this could be an ending diagonal in a wave 5, okay? So just a reminder where we are with ADA, it looks like we came down in this A, B, C correction. And yeah, this C wave here obviously consists of 5 waves. Wave 1 done, which was here on the 17th of Feb. Wave 2 done, this was the retracement on the 18th of Feb. Wave 3 done here on the 25th of Feb. Wave 4 done on the 23rd of March. On the 1st of March actually, yeah? 1st of March, and now we are in this fifth wave to the downside, which also consists of 5 waves. So it seems like it's a long wave 5, but the third wave was also very long. So it's not uncommon in crypto to get so-called extensions in a fifth wave. Yeah, when the third wave is extended, sometimes the fifth can be extended as well, especially in crypto. So here we've seen most likely, in my opinion, a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3 as well. The wave 4 was a triangle, and we're now running down working our way down, grinding our way down a little bit deeper into the support area in this fifth wave. Of the fifth, obviously wave of an overall, wave 2. Yeah, so this wave 2 is the correction of this wave 1. So that's sort of what we're looking at here. We haven't come very deeply into it. So, I mean, we haven't even touched the 61.8 Fib retracement. So I wouldn't be surprised to do that. It doesn't need to do it though. Because it has, so it's still following our trend line to the downside. As I said before, a break above the yellow trend line would be a first indication that this downtrend is over, okay? So, but for now we are following it down, and yeah, it doesn't need to go down that low, because it would, basically all it needs is just one more lower low here, and then it has 5 waves complete. I mean, it would be great to get it, because then you've got 5 clear waves down. Now, that doesn't mean the next one needs to be the last wave, but it could be. Yeah, so whenever we have a corrective wave structure complete, we need to be watching. Yesterday here, it looked like we had only 3 done. So we weren't watching too much for reversal, even though we need to be on high alert now in this area, because in this area, this is the larger support area for a wave 2. They're typically quite reliable, especially the 50%, 61.8 and 78.6 Fib levels for a wave 2 to end. Looking at the sub-wave structure here, it could very well be that if I'm taking the length of waves 1 through 3 here, go to the high of the fourth, then as you can see, I mean, the 61.8 extension, which is a common target for the fifth wave, would be here at 32.07 cents. Now that's the first level to watch. I wouldn't say it's very reliable, because the wave 3 came to that level already. So ideally in the wave 5, you want to see another low. Then you get the 1-to-1 ratio, which is at 31.3 cents. That would be the next target then. And afterwards, I think we've got that 61.8 retracement at 30.6 cents. So after the next low, I think we need to be watching. I mean, what we also need to be watching out for, and that's always, I would say, always a risk. You'll see we will have 5 waves complete. Yeah, we will have 5 waves complete to the downside here. That can always mean it is the complete fifth wave, which I would at the moment assume, but we eventually need to see how he's reacting to the next low or the next key support. But it could also just be the first wave of a larger fifth wave, yeah, so that this is escalating something like this, you know, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. That's possible, or that just this last bit here, this small wave 5, could just be the first wave of the fifth. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So just because we have a corrective pattern complete, which it would be after the next low, yeah, ABC, and the C wave would be complete also on the sub-wave structures, doesn't mean it needs to turn around. It just means we need to be watching. Down here, when we came down very strongly, it wasn't really complete. Yeah, it wasn't really complete. We only saw 3 waves down, so it's good that we possibly get another one. I mean, if I zoom in a little bit, so we can see that we made only a very, very slightly lower low here, but we made one. And it would be great to get that clearer low in this fifth wave here. Let's see. we might get a 5-wave structure down here in the 5th wave. But if I'm counting this as an ending diagonal, I actually need an ABC. So that could mean that this here, the next low might only be the A wave of the wave 5. There could be a B wave and another low in a C wave. But that is really micro counting. I mean here, A wave, B wave, C wave, and that the wave 5 will be down here. That's really the micro level, which is often not too reliable. Therefore, well, let's just focus on the key support area here, the pivot points, the threshold. Yeah, this is the larger support area for the wave 2. And what we need to do, or what the bulls need to do to signal an onset of the next rally to the upside would be to rally in a 3rd wave. Yeah? We need to break above the yellow trend line, that descending trend line. The price is currently below that, and a rally would most likely take it first to 34.5 cents. That's the next first Fib resistance on the way up, the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level of the wave 1, where we found support before. Here that was on the 13th of Feb, and here that was on the 24th of January. And here we had a little bit of a reaction to it as well. Okay, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.